Now, to one that has been reported several times on the front page of the Daily Graphic, we have Menzgold customers will get justice. This is AG assuring the Cambridge Forum. This is a story by Emmanuel Boni. It says, the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Godfred Yeboah-Dame, has given an assurance that justice will be served to victims of the Menzgold saga. He said the efficiency of a country's justice system was tested particularly by the speed and efficiency with which cases seeking to hold high-profile members of society to account, as well as top financial crimes, were conducted. I think that because of time, let's just leave it here because we know the story already. Yes, so
the people want their money. Is AG saying that they know where the #1 money is, that they will go and collect it and give to the people?
Well, it says they will get justice.
See, why you say justice in these cases? See, it's not that somebody has slapped somebody. People have lost huge sums of money.
Yeah.
The what the AG quoted in its application to the court is that #1 is holding 1.6 billion, which is about $400 million at the time, of depositors' money. That is in AG's own filing in court. Is the AG saying that they know where that money is and that they are going to retrieve the money and pay the people?
Yeah.
If you put #1 in jail, it's not justice for the people, because the people have lost money. So if you are asking, you are saying the people will get justice. I don't know what he meant by justice. If you talk about trying, prosecuting, and probably...
Pretty much, because he says that consequently, he said we need to punish corruption and other forms of economic crime.
That is not justice for the ordinary person.
Yeah.
The justice they need is where is our 1.6 billion Ghana cedis. Does the government know? #1, after 2 weeks ago, when he issued that, I think he granted an interview to one of the he said he has zero, nothing. Even he doesn't have a Toyota Corolla that he drives now. Or see, he said he's lost everything, he has nothing.
But he was asking the people to also come and pay, was it 650? For verification.
He said he has nothing. He has nothing. He's lost everything. So if you are telling people, you are giving them this kind of hope that they will get justice, I think that the people may get angrier because they are not interested in you putting #1 in jail. This is not public money. This is private people's money, and it's their money they want. If somebody stole public money and you can't find the money and jail the person, we see it as some form of justice. But when somebody takes money from private individuals and you are promising the people justice, the justice the people want is their money. It's not about jailing the person.
Larry, let me find out from you. So if the money is not there, you collect people's money, you blow the money. The money is not there. If you kill him, the money is not there. Would you not want him punished?
I think Godfred Dame talks too much. He does.
Why would you say that?
Oh, come on, this Menzgold thing has been on for how long?
#1 has been to court for 37 times.
Yeah,
before now we have dropped
to a point where the judge was even complaining.
And filed new charges.
The judge was even complaining at the point in time that, listen, you guys, I'll throw this case out though. At that time, he was busily prosecuting Ofosu Ampofo. He was busy on Jachi Kwesin. He was busy on Opuni.
And now he's on #1.
And then it's to a point where even Jachi Kwesin, who wouldn't give you anything back, you are having to try him on daily basis.
This is still money.
You get what we are dealing with. And so, and see where he's gone talking. He's gone to the UK. And, talk on international crime and all that and so on. I mean, one was, what have you been doing here, right here?
Home.
At home. So, he'll come back and will do nothing. He's busy. He wants to win he's chasing the high-profile political cases. Okay? He's chasing the high-profile political cases. Even this same story had gone before Tiwa before.
Yeah.
So Tiwa, as a CID boss, handled this. True or false? Tiwa, as Yoko boss, handled this. I mean, it's a story I know so well.
Is the money there? I think that the long and short of the whole thing is the victims want their money, like Elvis mentioned. I mean, the best justice is to say that collect your money, go home. Okay. But the question is, does #1 have the money to give back to the people?
Listen, there was a time when #1 was in Dubai.
Yeah.
Saying he was chasing some $34 million.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
Do you understand?
He said he got that money.
From where?
Then they said there was a ruling in his favor.
Yeah.
I mean, have our investigators gone to that far to investigate whether or not, you know, he really got the money and how that money was distributed. Okay, it's becoming.
And I think until recently, when Namwan himself said the people need to come and pay 650, that whole conversation.
Well, okay, 650 Ghana.
And so for some
for verification.
I hear some people paid.
Meanwhile, later he came out to say he's lost everything, he has nothing.
He doesn't have any
People
data.
pay.
He doesn't have a kobo once because he doesn't have, he's lost everything. So if people say there's a loss, he is the one that should be crying that he has lost. And that he's lost everything. I listen to the voice and I'm saying, so you lost everything, yet you are telling people that.
I have an auntie of mine who invested into Namwan's the Menzgold thing. My auntie doesn't talk to me anymore.
What did you do?
Because of this.
But what has that got to do with you?
It's a different story.
But what's your role in that?
So, at the time I was investigating this thing, and then I spoke to some people around it, and they assured that, this whole thing was going to be taken care of.
Okay.
So when my auntie complained, she saw some of my stories, and then called and said, what is happening? I said, the man says he's going to pay, so you guys just give him some time.
You deceived your auntie.
Now I'm looking like... I said, my auntie...
You've been charged of deception.
My mother's younger sister.
Wow.
She doesn't talk to me because of this.
Oh, wow. But a whole
so
thing...
I'm a journalist. I'm supposed to be
Do your
all
work,
knowing.
Yeah.
Listen, when the lady was going to invest in the thing, I had
no idea.
Yeah.
So just that assurance that, the man says he's going to pay. So let's give him some time. I'm saying, Fema.
So now he says, I'm going to collect the money.
For 3 or 4 years now.
No, but at that point,
doesn't talk to me.
No, but at that point,
because of Namwan.
what would you have done? The thing is gone bust already.
No, but you have come to give me assurance.
No,
so you know
bust.
what you know. So go and tell them to bring the money.
No, it just tells you how, as journalists, people take our word.
Of course, seriously.
For a lot of things.
For a lot of things. That assurance.
But when you look at the whole thing, where it started from, comments that have come in, where we are today, will the people get their money?
There's no money to get. That's the bottom line.
I heard one.
There's no money.
One gentleman.
So should Namwan walk free?
I heard that is not for us to say. It
That's
depends
what the
on
court
the
to
facts
decide.
that
Yeah, that's what the AG is assuring.
The AG is saying that per the Yoko and the CID investigations, the customer base and deposits they found 1.6 billion. At that time, it's about $400 million. Nobody knows where the money is. It's based on data that they were able to secure. But where that 1.6 billion Ghana cedis is not, the Yoko has not been able to find it. CID has not been able to find it.
See, let me tell you what happened with this. What the Ministry of Finance, Bank of Ghana, and then the Security and Exchanges Commission and all those guys should have done was to just, bait this guy, little by little. Pay your people, pay everybody as at now, and then later come, submit your document, and then let's work this whole thing out. We think you are doing a very good thing, and so and so and so and so. Don't threaten him. After he's done with all that, you knew at the back of your mind that this thing was not going to go anywhere. So after he's paid everybody, you are sure that everybody is paid. You even had your data and everything. Then you shut the thing down.
But sometimes when it comes to issues like this with emotions involved, because some state institutions were there, some churches and everybody.
The truth is that Bank of Ghana attempted doing what you said, but it was there that they realized that most of the money collected actually is not there.
Exactly.
Bank of Ghana attempted to get Namwan
to lure him.
To lure him. Actually, they want the extent of even luring him that maybe he can even look for like a savings and loan company that is not functioning so that they can regulate, so that he can pay people. They did a lot, but it is through that process.
Like, the money
now they are going to find out whether indeed if the money is somewhere that they can lure him to bring it to those systems. Because once you get the service, the money comes to the legal system. It was through that process that they realized that the money actually is nowhere to be found. I'm told that there was a Nigerian who is a business partner of the company.
I know that story.
Thank you. And so allegedly, a lot of the money that were collected also ended up with that guy, and he is also gone with. So through that process, they got to know that actually this guy, if we don't shut him down now, he will be collecting more, because all the one that will be collected, we can't even find this money in the system.
So maybe you should get your family head and sit and talk to your auntie that this is where the matter has reached and show him
Or
the front page of...
he should find money and pay the auntie.
I mean, exactly. It's quite fine one because now your family legacy is at
Yes,
stake.
exactly.
Anyway, thank you very much, Elvis. Thank you very much, Larry. This has been the news review segment on Breakfast Daily.